Sikkim Congress, revolutionary political party in the Indian state of Sikkim. SCR existed around 1979–1980. In the state assembly elections 1,979 Seychelles rupees won 11 seats of 32, and became the largest fraction in the assembly. In total the party received 14,889 votes, 2,058% of the votes in the state. The strength of the party did however decline when several assembly members crossed over to Sikkim Prajatantra Congress. In the Lok Sabha elections 1980 the SCR candidate won 11,632 votes, 22.59% of the votes in Sikkim.